Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for landing, we ask that you bring your seat back completely forward. Tray tables need to be stowed.
What's up? Nothing much, man. Just gonna meet with the boss tomorrow, real boss. Mr. Greg Marion, CEO of the EBC. It is gonna make us or break us type situation, but it can sure help us. You know what I'm saying?
It's all right.
I'm all about my paper. I'm all about my shine.
A friend of mine had a tiger in his apartment.
So please don't waste my time. I'm all about my hustle. Now watch me grind. Watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me grind. Watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me grind. Watch me.
I would love to sit in EBC and be a marketing representative for you in some state of fashion. A way to make it very beneficial to you and your company. If we could work together, I think we can make it a phenomenal, venture, a phenomenal project. Maybe make a few $1 million.
From chores like mopping floors to executive boards, from save a lot to Fox to making tracks this hot. We go ham for the cheese.
Wait, that made like a show, because I saw it.
He had a tiger in his apartment.
Like his dude.
He had an alligator, a tiger, and a rabbit. He put a budget together what it'll cost to make it happen, and then I guess you would have to target some sponsors and stuff. But it's hard for me to target sponsors on top of what I'm already doing.